Known for its iconic landmarks such as Buckingham Palace, the London Eye, and Big Ben, London is a must-visit destination for any traveller.
Welcome to Star Contents. Explore yourself and subscribe for more.
Welcome to the United Kingdom, a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. In this video, we'll take a tour of some of the most famous places in the UK that you won't want to miss. First on our list is London, the capital and largest city in the UK. Known for its iconic landmarks such as Buckingham Palace, the London Eye, and Big Ben, London is a must-visit destination for any traveller. The city also boasts world-class museums such as the British Museum and the National Gallery, as well as famous shopping districts like Oxford Street and Covent Garden. Next, we head to the Lake District, a picturesque area in northwest England known for its stunning scenery and outdoor activities. The Lake District is home to some of the most beautiful lakes and mountains in the UK, making it a popular destination for hiking, camping, and water sports. We also can't forget about Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland. This historic city is famous for its castle, which sits atop a hill and offers stunning views of the city. Edinburgh is also known for its festivals, including the famous Edinburgh Festival Fringe, the largest arts festival in the world. No trip to the UK would be complete without a visit to Stonehenge, the prehistoric monument located in Wiltshire, England. This mysterious stone circle has been a source of fascination for centuries and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Finally, we head to the Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder located in Northern Ireland. This area is home to thousands of hexagonal basalt columns, formed by ancient volcanic activity. The Giant's Causeway is a popular spot for hiking and photography, and is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These are just a few of the many famous places in the United Kingdom that are worth visiting. Whether you are interested in history, culture, or nature, the UK has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this tour of the UK's most famous places.